Meet compact cordless convenience and full-size professional performance with the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless compact blender. The convenience of no longer being tied to an outlet makes use in any setting possible. This fully rechargeable, portable, and powerful compact blender is perfect to use at home or on the go. The 16-ounce travel cup with lid is BPA-free and makes staying healthy on the go easy. The Evolution X cordless rechargeable personal blender is powerful enough to crush ice, yet versatile enough to puree soups, dressings, and shakes. The blender base has slip-proof feet for sturdy use, runs on a rechargeable 7.4 lithium-ion battery that won't lose its charge over time, an LED display panel, and a removable 3-foot USB cable port. With the quick charge feature, this cordless compact blender will fully charge in 2 hours for 20 minutes of continuous runtime. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Stay on track anywhere you go with the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless compact blender.